Hey everyone, today we're making crispy, spicy, and totally irresistible Bang Bang Cauliflower. So let's get started. First, chop one head of cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Don't worry about being perfect, just make sure they're all about the same size. Or not too big. I find it easier to boil them first, so I boil them for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now for the batter, combine half a cup of flour, teaspoon of onion powder, paprika, salt and pepper, white pepper, and 1/4 cup of milk. Whisk until well incorporated. Dip each floret into the batter, coat it well, then shake off the excess. And then after that, roll it in the breadcrumbs until it's completely covered. Place the coated cauliflower onto a lined baking sheet and then bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. While that's cooking, let's roast some sesame seeds, slice some freshly harvested chilies, spring onions, then let's make the magic, the Bang Bang sauce. In a small bowl, mix together sweet chili sauce, sesame oil, chilies, honey, and soy sauce. Taste it and adjust the heat to your liking. Once the cauliflower is done, transfer it immediately and drizzle it with the sauce, sesame seeds, and garnish it with the spring onions. And here is our Bang Bang cauliflower, tender on the inside, perfectly crunchy on the outside, and coated in that famous spicy sweet sauce.